How to log out of Facebook account on other devices. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to log out of your Facebook account on other devices. So if you think your account is still logged in somewhere else, or you just want to make sure your account stays secure, follow along step by step. Alright, let's dive in. Open up your Facebook app on your phone. You'll land on the home page where you normally see posts, stories, and updates from your friends or pages you follow. Now, look at the top right corner and tap on the menu icon. From here, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Once you're inside, go ahead and tap on Account Center. Scroll down until you see the Account Settings section, then choose Password and Security. Next, under the Security Check section, tap on Where you're logged in. This will show you a list of every device that's currently signed into your Facebook account. Tap on your account, and you'll see the login activity and the devices connected. If you notice something you don't want your account logged into anymore, scroll down and tap on Select Devices to log out. Now just pick the devices you want to log out from, and when you're ready, tap Log Out at the bottom. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily log out of your Facebook account on any other device and keep your account safe and secure.